So now I'm going to talk about chapter 3, the COVID goalpost, how to change human behavior. In this chapter, I'm going to talk about understanding the actionable insights. This is the first topic I'm going to talk about. So before we understand actionable insight, we understand inference. Inference is data analysis using different statistical methods from which we generate actionable insights. What do you mean by actionable? Actionable means that business can take action based upon the insight that was generated from inference, which will lead to a behavior change. So, what do you mean by behavior change? Behavior change means as a result of the action that was taken, the behavior of the user or action of the end users changed as a result of taking action. This is called behavior change. And behavior change is used in a really liberal sense here. There are four types of behavior. There are four types of insight. I got in this book. First is observational, second comparative, third causal, fourth predictive. Observational insight. It is insight gained from observing a phenomenon, environment, or behavior. Example, let's say by observing we find that users spend lots of time in the home page of a website. Action we can take is improve the home page to make it prettier, to make it faster, to make it easily navigable, which will lead to more user retention. Second type of insight is comparative. It is insight gained from comparing two different quantities, two different separate quantities. The insight we gain from comparing, an example of that is, let's say we are comparing the organic organic number of organic users from previous month to last month, and from our analysis we find that there was a huge growth of the organic users from previous month to last month. Then action we can take is why there was a huge growth in organic users from last month to previous month. Third is causal. The insight gained from the insight gained from, say, this factor is causes this factor. This is called causal insight, meaning this factor causes something causes something else. Like let's say example. Let's say we did a huge we did a promotion to the users for our handbag website. This caused in larger sale of the handbag. So action we can take is we can do even bigger promotion to more users, which will lead into even more larger purchase of handbags. Predictive insight. It is insight about knowing about something will happen in the future. So let's say if the population growth continues at the same rate as the present, then we will need 5 times bigger warehouse in 2020. The action we can take is we can plan for lease or purchase of the larger warehouse to plan for the future. So I talked about what is actionable insight and what are different kinds of actionable insight and action we can take based upon those insights.